The Dennison Fine Fabric Gun is a great tool for checking in your garments. It's delicate enough for your fine clothing and indispensable at your front counters. Today we're going to show you how to operate and maintain your Dennison tagging gun. Come on, let's get started. The tagging gun comes with a plastic-based Dennison fine fabric needle, but is capable of using both plastic and metal-based needles. The metal-based needles tend to last longer and are less prone to breaking. Plastic-based needles are a more economical choice, yet will hold up quite well. See how the sides of the needle have a channel running through them? This is where the fastener will slide out from when the needle is installed into the gun. The channel of the needle needs to line up with the channel of the tagging gun. The top of the needle shaft has a groove on it for the lock of the Dennison gun to secure to. On the shaft of the needle, there is a little groove. This groove on the plastic-based needle has a small piece of sharpened metal in it. It is here, on the back of the needle, where the fastener will be severed from the clip. If that gets dull, the gun may start to jam. It's important to replace the needle if that starts to happen to ensure proper performance of the gun. Remember that the tip of the needle may look great, but it's the back of the needle that will be getting dull from cutting the nylon fasteners. When assembling the gun, the manufacturer recommends that the needle guard be placed over the needle for your protection. Turn the lock on the Dennison gun so the handle is facing towards you. Line up the side channel of the needle to the side channel of the Dennison gun and insert the needle. To lock it into place, turn the handle of the lock backwards so that the handle is pointing towards the back of the tagging gun and is completely horizontal. You are now ready to load the fasteners. To install a clip, insert the rounded column into the rounded hole found on top of the gun. Push the clip down as far as it'll go, and voila! The tagging gun is ready for use. Here are some tips for keeping your guns working properly. Remember, if the gun begins to jam more often, it's best to replace the needle. To remove the jam or a partially used clip, be sure to fully depress the trigger and lift the clip up and out of the gun. When you remove your needle, you can squeeze the trigger to see if your ejector rod is still straight and gliding smoothly. Bent ejector rods are normally caused by forcing out a jammed clip. If the ejector rod is bent, unfortunately, a new needle will not correct the problem. You may need to replace your gun if this occurs. Also, be sure to store your fasteners in a temperature-controlled environment. Being stored next to an extremely hot or cold source could cause the fasteners to fail. Finally, to protect the needle and yourself, remember to place the needle guard over the needle when not using. We hope this helped. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you need more supplies or assistance, be sure to visit our website. We're happy to help, and we'll see you next time.